Hello, so this is going to be our first of a series of mini videos about Excel. And the first one is how to go between different tabs in Excel. So Excel is a really good way to consolidate a lot of data in one file. And how it does that is you can create different tabs at the bottom. So different tabs are like, if you want to think of a binder and then you have dividers, and the dividers separate all of your data into different groupings, well, that's what the tabs do in Excel. Now, these tabs, if you look to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, are in this practice file called like chocolate, cookies, Harry Potter, Ted Lasso. And then I see these three little dots. So these dots indicate that there's more tabs, but you just can't see them because they're hidden by this left and right bar. So if I go this, it brings my view screen left to right. So to access those other tabs, we press these two left and right buttons on the bottom. So if I wanted to see how many other tabs I have, I just press the right and I scroll to the end of the sheet. And I can see that my last tab is called Lord of the Rings. Now I know this is my last tab because, oh, look, those three little dots have disappeared. It's not that it's disappeared. It's now extreme. It's on the extreme left to say that I'm at the back of my Excel sheet. And if I want to see all the tabs in the front, well, you guessed correctly. Now I have to press the left arrow. So click the left arrow, I go to all these tabs right here. So that's one really useful thing about Excel is that I can put a lot of information and I can subdivide it in different groups on different tabs. So if I see right here, my first tab is chocolate. So I have types of chocolate and how much it is. Then if I click on my second tabs, cookies, well, types of cookies and how many we have. And then if I click on my third tab and my other tabs, I have different information. So again, to go between my different tabs in Excel, I just look at the bottom and I click the side arrows and it gets to those information. So I hope this helped and I hope you have a great day.